Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, universal garage door opener, fog lights, compass, trip computer, security system, power windows, electronic stability control, panic alarm, brake assist, day and night rear view mirror, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.